I can guess why you're here.
Yeah, I already know why you're here.
Yeah, I was like, shit. They said run, I'm over here, bro.
Yeah.
Discord just pinged me to run to Best Buy and try to order ETV prismatics by this SKU. So let's see if we can make it work. I just want to put an order by SKU.
What's the SKU number?
660 6082.
What's a good phone number?
Yeah, can I go ahead and order 3?
It's a limit of 1.
It's a limit of 1 on here. Did they tell you it was 3 over there? Or was this 1?
Oh, over there it was, well, it wasn't me, it was my friend. She said it was 3.
It was 3 over there, right? So it's just this by doing 1 only?
I think stores have
Huh?
Stores have different policies, I think, and they probably ran out over there.
Yeah, it's time to hit the other one then. All right, Papa. Oh, was right. Shout out to the Discord. I just got a prismatic ETB, $50. That's an easy.